Yeah, it handles much worse in the rain. Oh, see, I don't like little cars in the rain, but I don't like this one either. It's not heavy enough. Really?
See everything I need to see.
See, I don't like the visibility out of your car. It bothers me.
Like you get to see everything?
I don't feel like I can see everything in a weird way. I guess it's just because I'm not accustomed to it. I don't like the driving position, but that's just me.
Because I'm a little green when I drive, especially in the rain.
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, coming through, boss, coming through.
Did you say coming through, boss?
I did.
That's weird.
I don't know where we picked that up. I think my whole family does that.